Hi friends, it's Irina and this is Craft Pop Party tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make awesome Minecraft themed cake decorations. 3D topper and a simple printed version. You can make both using my designs and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. You've got a few options. For example, you can print a ready-made sample on a regular printer and cut it out by hand. Or you can upload PNG files to Cricut Design Space and create an awesome 3D topper. But let's take it step by step. Just imagine you are looking for cake decorations for your kid's birthday. You go to Etsy or my website and find my file, download it, and here's what you get. First, there are PDF, PNG and JPEG files for regular printing and cutting with scissors. This topper I made this way, printed and cut it out by hand. It took me just 5-10 minutes. My tip: use thick paper, and if you add a few layers, it will look even cooler. Next, we have an SVG file. This one for Cricut Design Space or similar programs, so you can choose the size of your topper. We uploaded to the SVG to Cricut and here it is. Now that you've picked your size, go to the Cricut Print and Cut folder and load all the files one by one. Each element is numbered from 0 to 10, so it's super easy. We uploaded them as flat graphic. These are PNGs with no background, so there's nothing to remove. At first they are huge, but don't worry, we'll adjust them soon. Okay, look, all the images are loaded. They are massive, so we'll group them like this to keep their circles inside the main frame. Now we decide the topper size, let's say 15 centimeters wide, which makes it about 18 centimeters tall. So take the skeleton and its shadow and check the size. Compare it to the SVG, it matches. So perfect. We don't need the SVG anymore, so we delete it and keep these files for printing. I always upload a really PNG to Cricut Design Space so you can see the final result clearly. If you don't want the 3D topper, just grab the flat PNG, upload it here and print it out. Same size, 15, 18, so let's move on. Before making the 3D topper, I'll add copies of the front characters to give them more volume. I don't like super thick toppers. They fade down the cake, so I'll make one extra copy each and see how it looks. The topper on the right, I'll cut on the Cricut too, though you could do it by hand. Okay, hide the flat topper, select the 3D one, hit make, and here's what we get. 4 sheets with different shapes. For my toppers, I use 300 photo cardstock for the front and 300 GSM watercolor paper for the inner layers. It slightly texture and add nice volume. We print the first sheet, load it into the machine, cut it, done. Repeat for the rest. Don't forget to set the highest print quality so your cake toppers are as vibrant as the image. Look at the difference. I always use gloss for the main elements. Once everything's printed and cut, we start assembling. Use glue or thick double-sided tape for volume. Now that the 3D topper is ready, so let's make the flat version. I'll print 3 copies, one on gloss paper for the top and 2 on thick cardstock for the base layers. Here we go! I cut 2 copies on the Cricut and 1 by hand. It was a big mistake. I'm terrible at cutting. But it's the bottom, so hopefully it's not too noticeable. So look how cool it turned out. Okay, and that's it. 2 awesome toppers are ready. Make your party unforgettable. Kids will definitely love it. Find more designs on my website craftpubparty.at and on Etsy. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.